Okay, come on. Walk with mommy. You gotta walk in front of me. There's my little man off to school. Keep going, keep going. I'm sorry, I'm getting you wet. Shame on me. Ah, this way, this way. This way. This way, keep walking. Go this way. Come on. Come on, gotta walk with mama. You and DJ walk ahead. There you go. Little man's first walk to school. Gotta go stand right here. So how you feel?
Fine.
You feel fine?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's right.
You stay right here. Okay. So, hi. Wave to the camera.
Right here.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say this is my first day at school.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You get to ride the bus.
Yeah.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say I'm gonna miss you today. Okay. So yeah, we're standing here waiting for the bus to come down the street. Then my cutie patootie.
Yeah.
Ain't no baby no more. Sending my last one off to school. I'm so scared. There's my 7th grader. Really? Yay! It's raining out here. Huh?
I could just see the school.
Really?
So I just go to school.
Really?
Yeah.
So you know your teacher's name is Miss Thacker, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you get to the school, you make sure you follow instructions, okay?
Okay.
I don't care about my hair getting wet. Just make sure. I think I hear it. Kinda. You gotta go to Pot Pot?
Wait.
You gotta go Pot Pot?
Wait. You gotta wait for the car.
You have to Pot Pot?
No, you gotta wait for the car.
Do you have to go to the bathroom?
No,
Oh.
You gotta wait for the car.
Do you have to go to the bathroom?
No, you gotta wait for
I'm not waiting for the car. I'm talking about you. You sit up here. Does everybody have to go to the house?
Yes.
Go take him to the room. Go run.
No.
And here we stand, waiting for the bus because little man had ran in the house because he had to go Pot Pot. And now this would be a perfect view for when he comes outside the house and y'all can see what he looks like running from the house to go catch the bus. There's down the street. There's our house right there. I hear the sirens. Bus is running a little late. Then there they go. Yay, look at there. That's my booger butt running to the bus.
Better now, Romeo? Yeah.
Feel better?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can wait for the car.
Okay. I don't know what's going on with the bus. Which way is it coming? Hmm?
Did you hear a scoop?
Mm-mm.
That way.
No, it's gonna come from up this way. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
And turn over there. Oh, wow.
Are you being silly this morning?
Yeah.
It's not raining now.
Huh?
It's not raining. It's drizzling. It's good.
Have you got an umbrella?
No. You want your umbrella?
Yeah.
Mommy's little boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. How handsome you are. You look real nice. Gotta be careful, gotta be careful.
That thing's sticking out. Oh. Okay.
Whichever you get a hold of.
There we go.
BJ,
Yeah.
you starting school tomorrow. Really? It's your last day with me.
I want to stay home. I still want to stay home. You know, I'll stay home tomorrow.
Look at my baby. Yes, he's grown. He's big. Yes. My 7th grader. Then I have another one in 9th grade. My big, oh, here come the bus.
Uh-oh.
Here come the bus.
Okay, just hold it.
Okay, I gotta hold it. Okay. There's the bus. It's coming down the street. No. And here come the other little school. Yeah, the other kids. Say hi. Here, go to the back of the line. Go to the back of the line.
I'm on. Girls in front.
Aww. There's the school bus. Okay. Come on. Go ahead. Go. Go. Walk. There we go. Uh-oh. No, you gotta go by yourself. You big boying? So we gotta speak to the bus driver. Hi.
What's your name?
Scott.
Going to the school bus, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
This gentleman over there, your big brother?
Yes, ma'am. And this is his first day of school, and his mama's. Oh God. I'll be.
God, I don't know why I don't have you as a picture.
Uh-oh.
But, got you sitting with Jean's face? Up here. Can you remember my face? What other side? What bus you ride? 305. Okay. I'm going to skip so that you know. Okay, baby. Try to remember. Okay. 305. Miss Kim. What's my name? What bus you ride? 117.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't be scared.
I am.
Wait a minute. After today, after this year, he gonna look up and he gonna be his side.
I know, right? Thank you. Now we running back home. Now BJ. There's a bus going up the street. He's leaving me. Ah! And that was our segment of little man's first day at school. Daddy, I'm going to be okay. Hold on now, because now we got to turn it back. Uh-oh. Can I turn it? No. Well, first of all, I want to do the pee-pee dance. Okay, I'm good. Thank you.